So very good news about dogs. So like it is kind of like not coin, okay? So it's totally not coin. Not coin even mentioned the dog. If they said that August is totally about dogs, okay? While it is launched, people thought it was scammy. It was just for fun, this type of stuff. But end of the day, if you noticed, dogs is going to be massive. Dogs is going to be a real world coin. Okay, anyhow, we are going to see their post on the Telegram. If you noticed here, exciting update about them. They did update. We have reached some amazing milestones, so they are so exciting about it. They are so exciting about their community. 25 million plus users in the app, 1 million 500 on or one, okay, it is maybe 1 million. I'm not good at math, okay, in Twitter, and 8 million 500k on Telegram, and 10 million plus ton wallets connected. Incredible numbers of on-chain users. So if you don't yet connect your dogs with ton wallet, do connect immediately. I didn't do it because my network problem. Anyhow, I don't wanna talk about me. So we thank our emerging community. Your support and participation make all the difference, okay? So just let me to scroll on their community here, okay. Here is they are like updating that how many they got members, how many exciting thing they got each day, okay. Their did or their everything is organized. They are so exciting about giving you money. So new feature, connect your ton wallet. You can now connect your ton wallet in your docs account and get rewarded. This is the new way to increase your balance, okay. There's like a lot of way you can earn point inside of the docs wallet. Just go to the like this launch page, and it will be immediately opened up, okay. You will see the apps inside of the Telegram, okay. Telegram is the remote revelation, okay. Everybody knows about Google, everybody use Google, everybody use Apple, this type of stuff, but nobody knows about Telegram. This is a new revolutionary, okay, remote revelation, okay. So that tone is the Telegram open network, okay, blockchain. So Telegram is the like community. It's kind of like messenger, but there most of the thing is related to cryptocurrency. Every community build up, every community launched up since the cryptocurrency time with Telegram. They build their community in Telegram because it is a freedom space, uh, you know freedom space, social media, okay. So here is you can share everything that you want, okay. So therefore Telegram is going to be massive. Their network is torn like PHC, Ethereum, maybe already. So Ton is now bullish, okay. If you need Ton token on anywhere, okay, if I do Google for you the price of Ton or how increased they are inside, like like these days they are doing well, okay. Ton, the open network for everyone. So if I go to the coin market, let me see what the price of the coin market cap, and it is listed everywhere, every picturing, uh, maybe biggest exchanges, they can list it. So 1 ton equals 6.54 USDT. How incredible it is, nowadays it is decreased their price, but a lot of famous influencer, they buy the stone coin, like Luke Belmar is the founder of Capital Club. He bought the stone coin, invested it in, okay. So here is everything. You will get their white paper, what does they do, market cap, volume, A to J, total supply, max supply. Here is I'm talking about here. Okay, just showing me, I'm talking about here, just see it. Okay, so here is their price, this on, and yeah, that's the thing. There is a tone coin, that is their one network. Okay, tone, T meaning telegram, O open, N network, telegram open network. Okay, so and every bot on telegram like docs, tone, they're based on tone. Okay, every bot will come, hamster, combat, pixelverse, everything. Okay, so this is the thing. If you don't yet connect, or if you don't yet participate, do participate on point, and that will be on stay your main money. Okay, so if you want to get more further update about this airdrop, just check out description box. Everything you will get A to J about our information. Just check it out and feel free to say something inside of the comment box. You have to say something, because maybe you want to suggest me to collaborating specific video that that I'm not know. So just please recommend me. I will be glad